Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. First things first, this error might occur if you have another instance of the Roblox installer running in the background. This could happen due to multiple installation attempts or an unfinished installation from a previous session. Another possibility is a corrupted Roblox installation file, which could result from the downloading the file from an untrusted source or facing internet connection issues during the download. So what you want to do is a simple restart can often resolve minor issues. So you want to open the Task Manager and look for any processes named Roblox Player Installer. If found, just right-click and select End Task. If the error persists, you want to uninstall Roblox from the control panel under Programs and Features. Then, download the latest Roblox installer from the official website and reinstall the program again. And that should fix it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.